Yep. So for your class project, you are gonna pick one image from Unsplash and make convert it into a smart object, and then apply the oil paint effect. Okay, now go do it. Just download a image from Unsplash. You can choose whichever topic you want. You can choose animals, or you can choose whichever you want. So just open up Unsplash and convert it into a, wait, let me download this oil paint effect. Just add the filter right there. Wait, let me open this up. I'll open file, open this PC. Nope, not this. Yeah, just unlock this background layer. Just go to filter, convert for smart filters, and just click filter, go to stylize and oil paint effect. Yeah, this is good. Just click OK. Now just go pick up a image from Unsplash and start doing this. I'll see you in the next video.